What's happening, Russell?
It's the season finale of Becker's Easy Eats. We are having a celebration, Brentwood.
Oh wow, I love parties. I can't wait.
For the last episode of this season, I choose to make something very simple and sure to be enjoyed by everyone. My special fruits and nuts chocolate chip cookies. Come join the fun here on Becker's Easy Eats. What makes my version of chocolate chips cookies different is the addition of fruits and nuts, in this case, walnuts and dried cranberries. Let's check out the other ingredients and I'll show you how to make them. First, we need to chop the walnuts and cranberries and set them aside. Then we prepare the dry ingredients. Sifting the all-purpose flour, the cocoa powder, adding the baking soda and salt. Give the mixture a good whisking and set aside.
Hello, Russell here. Remember to give that like button a big bear hug. Drop a comment, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more fuzzy contents. And don't forget to boop that bell so you don't miss a single snuggle.
Now we shall prepare the wet ingredients. Brown sugar, olive oil, which we shall mix for a bit, before adding vanilla extract, whole egg, honey, and brewed coffee. Mix well using the paddle mixer while slowly adding in the dry ingredients. Finally, we shall add in the chopped dried cranberries, the chopped walnuts, and the semi-sweet chocolate chips. Fold together using a spatula until well combined. Let the dough rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. Using an ice cream scooper, measure out the cookie batter. You can add more chocolate chips on top if you wish. Bake the cookies at 175 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes. Let them cool on a wire rack before enjoying them. So there you have it, chewy and delicious fruits and nuts chocolate chips cookies. Thank you so much for watching Becker's Easy Eats. My sous chef and I appreciate your support. We love bringing you simple and easy recipes. See you again in the next season. Please support this plushy channel by buying me a coffee.